Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using R Studio. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to assign labels to our nominal variable in R Studio. You can find more videos on SPSS, R Studio, econometrics, Excel on my YouTube channel, Crack Economics and Statistics. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the lecture. Now here I have the data called file. I have the data called file. I have used read.csv file.choose command. Now let's understand the file variable. So you can see I have three variables: roll number, gender, and marks. Now here, gender is our nominal variable. And in gender, we have two categories. One is assigned to male and two is assigned to female. Now we need to tell the software that treat this variable as nominal variable with two categories. So let's see how we can do that. So first we need to save this as factor. Now before we do that, let's see the structure of the data set. So you can use str in bracket file. Simply click run. And here you can see gender. This treat R Studio treats gender as integer. So now we need to tell the software that this is not integer, this is our nominal variable with two categories. So let's see. First we need to save this gender variable as factor. So write file $gender and save it as factor. So we use factor command and again write file $gender. So now gender is factor and not integer. Simply click on run. Now you see the structure again, str file. Click run. So now you can see here, gender instead of integer, it is factors with two labels, 1 and 2. Now we need to give labels. So here, 1 is assigned to male and 2 is assigned to female. So let's see. Again, write file gender factor file $gender. And now we use labels is equal to male, female. This is the command. Factor, and in factor we use labels. 1 is assigned to male and 2 is assigned to female. Suppose you have assigned 1 to female and 2 to male, then first you write female instead of male and then write male. Simply run it. And now you see the structure, str file. So you have labels male and female. And now you see the file data set. Instead of 1, 2, male and female is written. So we have converted this variable, or we are going to treat this variable as nominal variable with two categories. And in R Studio, we can do that by using factor and label commands. So if you find this video useful, kindly like it and share it. Thank you.